You asked, what is modern watercolor, and specifically, how is it different from traditional watercolor? Modern watercolor is relatively a new term from what I can gather, but technically, and no pun intended, it is a more modern way of saying mixed media watercolor. So how are modern watercolor and traditional watercolor similar as well as different? First off, the primary supply that both of them use is watercolor. They also both use core supplies such as paper, brushes, paints, palettes, etc. And they both use the same techniques such as washes and wet on wet and wet on dry, and they also can paint similar subjects or even styles. The only way that they are actually different is in how they use their supply list. A traditional watercolorist who really holds to that traditional view is only going to use watercolor. A modern watercolorist, on the other hand, will use a slew of supplies in order to really capture what is inside of their mind. So hopefully that helps clear up a little bit of what traditional versus modern watercolor actually is, and gives you a little bit more information in your own art exploration journey.